I'm showing you how to set a custom start time for a video within your Canva project so it triggers exactly when you want it to. First, open your Canva dashboard and pull up the specific design you are working on. You need to make sure your video is already placed on the canvas. If you haven't added one yet, go to the Uploads tab or the Elements section and drag your footage onto the page. By default, Canva plays every video from the very first second the slide or page appears. To change this, you need to look at the bottom of your screen where the timeline is located. Click directly on the video element sitting on your canvas. If you look down at the timeline and only see the overall page duration, you need to find the specific video layer. The important thing is that the video itself is selected. If the timing bar for the video does not appear automatically, right-click on the video on your canvas and scroll down to where it says Show Element Timing. This action reveals a purple bar in the timeline specifically for that video clip. Now, look at that purple bar and move your mouse to the very left edge, which represents the start of the video. When the cursor turns into a double arrow, click and drag that edge to the right. As you drag, you will see the timestamp change. Stop once you reach the exact second you want the video to begin. Now, that goes both ways. While this allows you to delay the video, it also means the video will be invisible on the canvas until the playhead reaches that specific point. You lose the ability to see that footage during the initial seconds of the page playback. In my case, I often want the background music to start first and the video to appear 3 seconds later, so I drag the start point to the 3-second mark. You can also do this from the other end by dragging the right edge of the bar to make the video cut off early. Once you have positioned the start and end points, back out of the timeline by clicking any empty space on your canvas. Press the play button at the top to preview the timing. Your video will now remain hidden or frozen until the playhead hits your new start time. I hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.